We have another addition to our Christmas village. Just went and bought it. Guy had all this advertised for $120. I give him $150 because he came and met us halfway. He drove an hour, I drove an hour, and it's Sunday. I just didn't want to take the chance of losing it. Everything lights up. Well, it will light up because we're gonna put. He has some lights for it. You know what I mean? We got a train track. Tracks over there. I just ain't put it up. It's just a. It ain't nothing fancy, man. You know what I mean? But you gotta have a train with a Christmas village. Close up right there. So yeah, that is the 6. We got 6 full tables full of stuff. And we will probably start around October putting this thing together. Because we just want to enjoy it. We're anxious to get it going. This will be the first time we've ever done anything like this, and can't wait to get it up.